So behind me I have 3 of my compound miter saws, and I just wanted to do a quick overview of them because they're not usually in the same place at the same time. And having them here, I would just use them on a small project for the mock-up, and each one of them has its benefits. They have distinct capabilities, but also some of them fit for certain projects and just make the job a lot easier. Behind me on the green team is the 12-inch double compound sliding miter. This is a beast. It weighs in at just under half a ton at 999 pounds. And the double compound non-slider, this is the cordless 20-volt version. This is the 10-inch, and it comes in at 34 pounds. And the 7¼ inch single compound sliding miter saw that comes in at only 24 pounds. So you can see that moving these around on a job site or just on a day-to-day basis would be drastically different, even though the 12-inch half-ton saw is on wheels and stand. Now, if I'm going to cut over to the saws, I'm going to take a couple cuts. I'm going to show you how the different saws, different capabilities work. I'm going to come over to the 7¼ with the sliding miter. You get more coverage on your cuts. And this little saw, being that it's a 7¼ it pretty much you can use any of the blades that you have on your 7¼ circular saw. So that comes in really handy when it's just switching out blades, depending on if you're doing framing or fine finish work. Now with this saw, it does not have a laser. It uses the double light to create a shadow. The LED creates the shadow on the cut. But you can see here, this is the 2x10. It comes in at 9¼ and you're going to see the cut on this saw. This is a pretty decent little saw for what you can do. Now a little thumb up, and I get through a 9¼ inch board, and that's a pretty clean cut. Now, if I were to make that same cut on this 10-inch saw, I would come up extremely short. I'd have to then flip it over. Now again, on the 10-inch saw, here's a 7¼ board. Now taking the same 7¼ board on this saw, we can get through in one pass, which means that we can do a bevel, and we can cut this on the 45. If we were to make our cuts, we would simply need to do a quick flip. So one benefit of this sliding saw is if you don't have the room in a hallway or against a window, you can lock this slider and undo this slider, and then it'll slide.
If you want to support my channel and look good wearing one of these heavyweight hoodies that you've seen in this video, please feel free to shop at my store, jasonmichaelkotarski.com. Click on the links, purchase, buy. I'll ship it. You'll get it. You'll wear it. You'll be warm. You'll thank me. At 2 pounds, 2 ounces, or 970 grams, this is sure to keep you warm, and they're durable. I've tested them. I love it. Thank you.